Yes, very good afternoon. Right, so yesterday we first completed with SQC 1, yes, quality control for firms that perform audits and reviews of historical financial information and other assurance and related services engagement, in which we talked about the elements of the quality control system, namely LEHEM. Right, and in that we talked about engagement performance 5 points. One, there should be proper direction, supervision and review. Then EQCR, engagement quality control review. The work of one CA being reviewed by another CA in the same firm before the report is issued. An objective evaluation of the significant judgments made. Right, then we talked about consultation, then engagement documentation, and the last one, the differences of opinion. Right. Then we also saw the objectives of SQC1 and SA220 together. SQC1 objectives that the firm complies with the professional standards and legal regulatory requirements. The firm's reports issued are appropriate in the circumstances. And SA220, what are the two objectives? The audit complies with the professional standards and the legal regulatory requirements. The auditor's report issued is appropriate